up, you guys? It's Susie from HeyGrillHey.com, and today we are throwing down some super easy and delicious grilled chicken drumsticks with a homemade teriyaki barbecue sauce, but we're doing it with a very special guest. We have John and Jeremy Smith from
Job Curiosity.
Job Curiosity. It's a really amazing YouTube channel where they go behind the scenes and watch other people do their jobs, and John's gonna actually see if he can help me film a recipe video today. And I know a lot of you guys have asked, you know, what goes into being a food blogger or, you know, making these barbecue recipe videos for you. So if you want to see behind the scenes, you'll have to go check out our episode on John and Jeremy's channel when they post it on YouTube, and yeah, it'll be fun. You guys can get a sneak peek behind the scenes of what it's like to do what we do. But I think we should get started.
We're excited to show everybody.
Ready to cook some drumsticks?
Yes.
Let's do it.
Hey everybody, John Smith here and Jeremy with Job Curiosity. Right now, we're with Susie and Todd Bullock and Hey Grill Hey. Susie is a food blogger, ninja master, aficionado. What do you call yourself?
Yeah, I would say barbecue food blogger.
Backyard hero?
That's a good, yeah, backyard barbecue hero.
Making everybody backyard heroes.
I'm trying to help you guys become backyard barbecue heroes.
And right now, I am going to see if I can do Susie's job at all. I'm not going to say better, just at all. Can I do this job?
Yeah.
We're going to find out. I'm going to let her lead me through the process. And
we got everything measured out. This is going to be super easy.
Nice. Thanks for doing that.
We're going to get you guys set up with these grilled chicken drumsticks. I've got 2 pounds of chicken drumsticks, and I've got our beef seasoning, but you can also use garlic, salt, and pepper. It's a great base layer for these grilled chicken drumsticks. And we're gonna put these on a grill. I've got it set up for indirect heat, which means half of the grill has coals on it, the other half does not. But if you have a pellet grill, or pellet grill's already indirect, a gas grill, you would just have half the burners on, half off. And we're gonna start out by grilling these on high heat to give us some nice crispy
on the half
on the
off
outside. On the
side.
half on side, direct heat.
Oh, okay.
To start. Did I say indirect heat?
I thought so.
Okay, we're gonna start them on direct heat.
Maybe John can do this better.
Maybe John can do this better than me.
That's what I'm talking about.
Now, do that.
Okay.
Ready, go.
I'm gonna do this.
Then you kind of move them around.
That looks right?
Yeah, looks great.
How do I
Just
get to
keep
all
going.
of them? It's like a puzzle.
Yeah, you just kind of move them around.
Okay.
Season all over.
I think I got them all.
All right, chicken seasoned on all sides, going on the direct heat side of our grill. This is gonna take about 35 to 40 minutes, and we're gonna wanna flip these. Did you just touch that with your raw chicken hand? Oh no.
No,
you
I
got a
didn't
clean
touch
hand.
it. Nope, this is a clean hand.
We're doing great.
Nope.
We're gonna cook these on the direct heat side for about 35 to 40 minutes, and we wanna flip them every 5 to 7 minutes so they cook evenly all the way around. And then this is your direct heat side of the grill. So you wanna position them over there.
Okay.
See where the coals are?
Yes.
That's your high temp.
Got it.
Close up the grill. Beautiful. Good job getting the chicken on.
Yes.
While that is cooking, we're gonna make a homemade teriyaki barbecue sauce. Now this is kind of a cross mashup recipe that I came up with. I tested it like 3 to 5 times before I got it where I wanted it. So it's teriyaki sauce flavor, but with a barbecue zip to it. So it has a barbecue sauce texture. It's a little bit thicker. It has some like ketchupy brown sugar base to it that you're gonna expect from a barbecue sauce, with some nice, you know, teriyaki flair.
I'm excited
Sound
just
good?
about that alone.
Okay.
Yeah, sounds great.
So let's make our barbecue sauce. The first thing that you're gonna wanna do is add our teaspoon of sesame oil into this pan here.
It's this one?
That's sesame oil. Now you wanna make sure to turn your hands to the camera so that they can see what you're pouring in.
Testing you.
This right here, you want this to be able to see it.
Yep, this camera right here. So sometimes you might have to pour left-handed.
Yep.
To get the right angle for the food.
I'm amphibious, so I can do both hands.
Yeah. Amphibious?
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna go with amphibious. Okay, we're also gonna put in a 1/4 cup of diced onions, and then 4 cloves of minced garlic.
All right.
We're gonna pop this onto a burner. I have one sitting back here on my gas grill, And we're gonna cook this for 5 to 7 minutes until our vegetables start to soften. And in the meantime, we're gonna flip our chicken legs.
All right,
So
flip them.
All together. So let's pop this over the heat on the grill. There you go, done. Make sure you're getting your good camera angles. And don't burn your arm because this grill's hot. Just every few minutes, we want them rotated.
Do I bias toward fast or accurate? Or a balance in between? So.
Yeah, just move them around. We're gonna be flipping them a few times, so I don't think you have to be the fastest thing ever.
And close that lid?
Yeah. Can you just hang your tongs right here?
Great.
Nope, like this. Check this out.
There's a thingy.
Dun, dun, dun. Okay.
I knew that.
I can hear our onions and our garlic cooking in our saucepan. So we're gonna give it a whisk and then add all of the rest of our sauce ingredients. I do have a link to the full printable recipe below the video, so make sure you check that out because we're just gonna be stirring all this goodness in. You ready?
Yeah, stir it up first.
Stir it up. Yeah, come stand on this side so you're not burning your arm. Let me get a good view. Okay. If you want to use fresh ginger, you can put in a tablespoon of fresh ginger. I didn't have any fresh today, so I'm using 2 teaspoons of ground ginger into the pot. You just stir away.
Okay.
Here, I'll hand you stuff and you can tell people how much goes in it, okay? You ready?
Yeah.
I'm gonna stir in a 20-ounce can of crushed pineapple. So tell them what they're getting.
Didn't you just tell them?
Well, I told you. You gotta tell them.
Oh, you need to put in a 20-ounce can of crushed pineapple. Like so. A cup of brown sugar. A half a cup of ketchup. A half a cup of water. And a half a cup of teriyaki sauce. Quarter cup of molasses.
This is fun.
I'm going high on this one.
Whoa!
A quarter cup of rice wine vinegar.
And 2 teaspoons Worcestershire sauce.
And 2 teaspoons Worcestershire sauce.
Nobody can say it. Nobody can say that one.
Teaspoons Worcestershire sauce.
Worcestershire sauce.
Worcestershire.
Okay. So you're gonna bring this up to a boil. And we're gonna let it simmer for the next 20 to 25 minutes, which is perfect because that's about how long it takes for our chicken legs to finish cooking. And then we're gonna we're gonna blend it so it's nice and smooth. And then we're gonna baste our chicken legs with the barbecue sauce. You did a great job.
Thanks.
You got all of the ingredients in there.
Yeah,
and
they're all there. Are we flipping them or kind of quarter turning them?
Just keep them rotating. Yeah, you can go quarter turn.
Okay. I don't know if that's going to be possible.
You want them to cook even, but they kind of don't like to do that because they're
like this
more like an oval shape.
That one might, I don't know. Right.
Okay, we flipped our chickens a couple more times. They're at about 150, 155 right now. So we're gonna finish up our sauce, baste our chicken legs, and get them nice and sticky and juicy and delicious and ready to eat.
Right.
You ready?
That's what I was just about to say.
Yeah. Okay, take us through the sauce process, John.
Yeah, so we're gonna, I feel like I need to hear you say that again. Yeah, we're gonna turn the heat off on our sauce.
So now you have to do it.
Oh. That's what I was just about to do. I gotta figure out how to turn it off. That could be on or off. That's definitely on. I don't know how to turn it off. Is that off?
Good guess, you did it.
Okay. It looks like on, like, this is on. I don't even know what on and off are.
Okay, we're gonna transfer the sauce carefully because it's very hot to our blender jar.
We're gonna transfer the sauce carefully to the blender jar, and this time I'm actually gonna do it. Luckily the handle's not too hot.
No, the handle shouldn't be hot.
Okay.
Now you have to pour it in here.
Great, I can do this.
Yeah, well you don't want it to splash at you.
This.
Yep,
Okay.
so do it that way.
All right. I'm going for it. Full confidence.
That's how you gotta do it. Oh, that smells amazing.
I didn't drop any of the teriyaki sauce. That's wonderful.
It smells so good.
This is making me nervous. I feel like I don't see any chunks.
I think it's good.
How do you feel?
I feel good about it.
Okay.
So now we're gonna baste our chicken legs on the grill. We're gonna move them from the direct heat side of the grill. Once they hit 165, over to the indirect heat side of the grill. We're gonna baste them with the barbecue sauce because this has sugar in it. We don't want it to burn over the high heat side of the grill because sugar can caramelize really quickly and turn to burn very fast. So we just want it to tighten on the outside of our chicken legs. We're gonna finish cooking them until they reach an internal temperature of 175 degrees Fahrenheit.
Right. So we're gonna take our chicken legs and move them from the direct side of the grill to the indirect side. Then we're gonna baste them, and we wanna make sure that the caramelized sauce doesn't stick to the grill.
Close.
Oh man, all of a sudden I just pictured how amazing
hungry?
these things are gonna be.
Yeah, just got a little
Yeah.
bit. Just got a little bit
It just
hungry.
hit me.
We are gonna cover these up and we're gonna let them finish cooking until they hit that target temperature of 175 degrees. Now, chicken is technically safe to eat at 165, but I like to take thighs and drumsticks up to 175 because there's some tight connective tissues in there, and at that higher temperature they actually start to break down and it leaves like a little bit more tender chicken, not as stringy, and there's enough fat in these pieces that they'll stay really nice and juicy.
All right.
Our chicken legs are 175. These are ready to come off the grill. Want to do the honors, John?
Yes.
Now you gotta make them look pretty too.
Oh yeah, of course.
You know, so layer them on there,
Vertical.
make them look nice.
And not line them up in a big row like this, but actually
Hey,
layer them in
I
a.
like it. I like the row.
Okay,
It's a new approach.
I might change Susie's
I'm
style.
into it.
Susie's style today.
I'm into it.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'll go with
that's
that.
Great. Teriyaki chicken legs are off the grill. Now it's time to garnish, and then we get to eat them. So I'm just gonna
That's the
sprinkle.
word I was waiting for.
Garnish or
Eat.
Sprinkle them with some sliced green onions and a little bit of sesame seeds, and we're good to go.
She makes it look easy, people.
This part is easy. This is the easy part. Oh, these smell great.
Should I use them all, or should I?
I mean, you just want it to look nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that looks great. How do you think we did today?
100%.
I think we did real good today. These chicken legs look beautiful. They smell amazing. And now my favorite part is eating them. And we get to do a taste test. So do the honors. Grab a chicken leg.
Nice.
Whichever one seems.
I'm going right in the
whichever
middle.
one's speaking to you. Ready?
It's speaking to me.
Oh my gosh. That is delicious. So now our job is to describe the food. Okay.
It tastes less like teriyaki to me, and more like a tomato barbecue. And that's okay.
Yeah, it's a combo of the two, right? So you get that teriyaki moment, but it is a traditional barbecue sauce. So it's kind of a really fun play on flavors. The chicken itself is juicy. You get some nice smoky flavor from the charcoal. Yeah, that's beautiful.
Yes.
I think you guys are going to love this recipe. I know I have about 3 hungry kids waiting at the door to sneak out here and grab a bite. They've been waiting for lunch today. I hope you guys give this recipe a try at home. Cook it for your family and friends, because that's our whole goal, is we want to help people make better barbecue so they can feed the people they love and become a backyard barbecue hero. Go check out the behind the scenes on their channel, you guys. Give them one more time. What's your channel?
Job Curiosity.
You can see what it's like behind the scenes to film a recipe as Hey Grill Hey. Was it good? Was it a good day?
Yeah, it was awesome. Awesome being here. I wish everybody could be here experiencing this, so hopefully we help them to see that.
Yeah, we had a lot of fun. We'll see you guys next time.